Preparing for a Salesforce job? Test your fundamentals with these 15 advanced MCQs. Question 1. Can you tell me which of the following best describes the difference between a profile and a role in Salesforce? The correct answer is profiles control permissions, roles control record access via. As profiles determine what a user can do, permissions, while roles determine what data they can see, record level sharing. Question 2. Which statement about governor limits is correct? The correct answer is they help manage server resources in a multi-tenant environment. Salesforce enforces governor limits to prevent any one customer from monopolizing shared resources in its multi-tenant architecture. Question 3. In which situation would you use SOSL instead of SOQL? The correct answer is to search across multiple objects for a keyword. Where SOSL is used for full-text searches across multiple objects and fields, unlike SOQL, which is object-specific. Question 4. Why would you assign a permission set to a user instead of modifying their profile? The correct answer is permission sets allow granular permission without changing the profile. As permission sets are additive and allow granting specific permissions to users without altering their base profile. Question 5. What are before triggers in Salesforce typically used for? The correct answer is validating or updating fields before data is saved. Before triggers are used to update or validate record values prior to saving them to the database. Question 6. Which of the following tools allows automation of record updates, email alerts, and flows in a single tool? The correct answer is Process Builder. Where Process Builder supports multiple actions in one place, such as updating records, sending emails, launching flows, etc. Question 7. What does the with sharing keyword in Apex ensure? The correct answer is sharing rules are enforced for the user executing the code. With sharing ensures the Apex class respects the organization's sharing rules and enforces record-level access. Question 8. What is the maximum number of records you can return in a single SOQL query? The correct answer is 50,000. Salesforce enforces a limit of 50,000 records for a single SOQL query in Apex to manage memory and processing. Question 9. Which of the following cannot be done with a formula field? The correct answer is trigger a workflow. As formula fields are read-only and cannot trigger workflow rules directly, they can only reflect values. Question 10. When should you use a lookup relationship instead of a master detail? The correct answer is when the child can exist without a parent. As lookup relationships are loosely coupled, and the child can exist independently of the parent. Question 11. Which automation tool would you choose if you need complex branching logic and subflows? The correct answer is Flow Builder. Where Flow Builder provides advanced logic, screens, branching, subflows, and data manipulation options. Question 12. What is the purpose of the Schema Builder in Salesforce? The correct answer is visualize and create data models and relationships. As Schema Builder is a graphical interface for viewing and modifying object relationships in fields. Question 13. What is a roll-up summary field used for? The correct answer is summarizing child record values on a parent object. As roll-up summary fields aggregate data, sum, min, max, count, from related child records in a master detail relationship. Question 14. Which of the following statements about validation rules is true? The correct answer is they prevent saving invalid data based on logic. As validation rules ensure only correct data enters the system based on predefined logic. Question 15. Which deployment tool is best suited for deploying metadata between unrelated Salesforce orgs? The correct answer is Salesforce CLI SFDX. As Salesforce CLI SFDX is the most robust tool for deploying code and metadata between any orgs, including Scratch orgs or external repos. Like, subscribe, and share to keep learning with Skiller.